Creating a TikTok account? And it's asking for your phone number? But what if you don't want to use your personal one? Good news! You don't have to. TikTok lets you sign up with phone numbers, emails, Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter. But eventually they'll ask for your phone number to verify your account. While many users provide their personal number, there is a better way. If you're not comfortable sharing your personal number, you can use a virtual phone number. You can verify TikTok with a completely separate virtual number. And here's the best part. You can get one for free. You just need to set it up the right way or it won't work. Here's exactly how. First, open Calilio on the web and create an account. Fill in all details including name, email, and put your billing details as well and complete the sign-up. After completing sign-up, you'll see this pop up, or you can either claim a free USA or Canada virtual number from the My Number section. Okay, now let's claim a USA number for this tutorial. Here, you can purchase a virtual number from over 100 countries. Now open TikTok app or website. Log in using phone or email option. Fill all the details and in the number section, put your recently bought virtual phone number. After that, you'll get OTP on the Calilio app. Copy that code and paste it here. And that's it, you're in. So no, you don't need to use your personal phone number. You just need the right setup. And now you know exactly how. If you want free USA or Canada number, check the link below.